Hey guys, and welcome back to another diecast review. Today we are going to look at Greenlight's Hot Pursuit Series 21. It's a new release, so let's go. Open this case up, take a closer look. I was asked recently about one of my other channels. I'm trying really hard to push out videos. It's not too easy right now. Got worried there for a second that I accidentally picked up another case I already had. So, alright, let's get started. Forgot what's in this series, but oh, there we go. Now I remember. Alright, so we have the 1990 Ford Mustang California Highway Patrol. This one's actually pretty cool. This one. A lot of people like these Fox bodies. They're kind of iffy for me. I'm not a huge fan of them, nor do I not like them. I mean, there has been worse Mustangs out there. Next one, for those who like The Walking Dead, I believe they had this car in there. We have the Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor with the Atlanta Police Department. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe that they did show, when they were downtown, I think they did show the Atlanta Police Department with these kind of graphics. Not 100% sure, but I think they did. So this one's pretty cool. It looks like the hood opens. I totally forgot about that. That was one reason why I really liked the Greenlight in the beginning. Probably have had Greenlight for quite some time now. I think the first Greenlight I ever purchased was like 09-ish, maybe, possibly. This one actually, what I don't like that they do is they stamp numbers on some models instead of using like the sticker. So when they stamp some of these, the spots that they stamp them in aren't the best spots. That's just because of how the vehicle is, with the details underneath it that sometimes they just don't look right. Next is the Auburn Hills, Michigan. Sorry if I butchered that a little bit, but I think I said it right. It's a nice 2014 Dodge Ram 1500. It's this one actually looks very clean. The previous releases, they weren't as clean. This one actually looks very, very clean. Very, very nice. Nice detail to this one. I could say right now that the light bar looks pretty cool too. This casting is one of those that is kind of a hit or miss, and just the way it's assembled, the way it's painted, everything, it looks good. But it does appear that a little bit of the paint off the mirror, as you can see right here where the black meets the white, it appears some of the paint off the mirror kind of just dripped down, if you look at it from this side. So yeah, it does look like it. But other than that, I mean, it's a very, very nice nice series so far. Got the U.S. Army Military Police with their 2015 Ford Police Interceptor Utility. Very, very nice chassis. You know, I would love to see Greenlight introduce the Tahoe into the newest Tahoe into the series. Do like a 2017 Tahoe. It would be nice. Very, very nice. Very, very nice car. I don't think I've ever seen a U.S. military police car around here. Oh ho ho. Okay, so this next one, um, well, I thought it was a green machine because of the hood, and I didn't realize this because when it was down in the bottom of the box and with the bad lighting I have over here, it kind of appeared to me as if it was a green machine. Um, these colors in the box kind of looked a little like a green machine color, but when I pulled it out, the wheels are actually and the base are the green machine. Very very nice to find them. I love finding green machines. Majority of my Greenlight collection has already become green machines. This one actually, I'm trying to find the number. The number is pretty high. It's 1589. 1589. So it's a very very nice car. It's beautiful. New York City Police Department. Hold up. Um, I don't know too much about this. New York City, New York. Okay. All right. Anyway, so this one's actually pretty cool. I like it. I'm not a huge fan of the police interceptor, and a lot of departments that had them, they seem to have moved away from them, either towards an Explorer or a Tahoe or a Caprice. I think one department went straight from Ford to Dodge, but these are very very nice castings. But the car itself, it's a nice car. Can't complain about it, but it's not the best. And next we have another highway patrol. This time a '74 Dodge Monaco. This one actually is a very very nice casting. The Dodge Monaco was one of the more popular police cars of its day. So when we see all these re-releases or just anybody making a Dodge Monaco, it makes me fall in love with the boat even more. It's a very very nice car overall. Um, I don't know if they were fast or not, but they look pretty badass. So thank you guys so much for watching, and hope to see you guys very soon. I'm going to post these to the blog, and I'm going to write a little extra for the blog, so please check the description. I will have the link to the blog. Have a great day. Bye-bye.